No matter where you're going or how often you travel, your luggage might make or ruin your trip. It helps with planning, packing, and keeping things organized while traveling, and it occasionally has an impact on whether you're allowed to bring home souvenirs. Your travels can be more effective and fun if you have nice luggage. Luxury models are the way to go if you want your luggage to be both well-built with practical functions and noticeably elegant to passersby. Are you prepared to watch the list? But before we begin, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. 1. Paravel Aviator Carry-On Plus. This carry-on is strong, fashionable, and manageable, and it has lots of convenient organizational features that travelers will like. Although it is on the larger side for a carry-on, there is no expander. The Paravel Aviator Carry-On Plus is our top pick. The large capacity and well-organized design of this luggage impressed us. Although it doesn't grow, it is already a bit large to be considered a carry-on. The dual zippered pockets and compression pad also let us easily fit everything on our packing list. A detachable bag for dirty shoes or laundry is also included. The robust polycarbonate shell is offered in 5 elegant color schemes. Although it received some scratches during our tests, this is probably less of a concern with one of the deeper colors. Overall, the robust design appears to have a long lifespan. Paravel offers a 10-year warranty to support it. The high-quality spinner wheels on the Aviator made rolling it around a breeze. Despite being more expensive than typical, Paravel luggage is among the most cost-effective options in the luxury segment. However, the company's products go beyond just chic, easy-to-roll luggage. All carriers are made ethically by people who are paid appropriately and work in a secure environment. Additionally, Paravel uses recycled and eco-certified materials in its designs in an effort to offset its carbon footprints. Price: $425. 2. Amazon Tumi Continental Dual Access 4-Wheeled Carry-On. This pricey spinner boasts impact-resistant sides, a USB port, a ballistic nylon exterior, and its chip that helps make sure your luggage is never lost for good. It weighs almost 12 pounds, which is a lot for a carry-on. Tumi is hard to beat when it comes to high-end carry-ons. The outside of the Continental Dual Access is made of ballistic nylon with a protective coating and has impact-resistant side panels. With no dents or scuffs even after many bad hits, it successfully passed our durability testing. On its spinning wheels, this bag also moves smoothly. The Continental carry-on features numerous pockets, compartments, a laptop sleeve, a clothing sleeve, and an expander that increases the depth by 2 inches. Additionally, it offers some high-end features including a TSA lock, lockable zippers, a USB port, and Tumi Tracer technology to assist you find your stolen or lost bag. With the help of additional Alpha Line items, you may assemble a set of baggage, and Tumi's 5-year warranty will help you feel secure about your purchase. Price: $1,050. Number 3. Tumi Alpha 3 Expandable Packing Case for Short Trips. The cleverly created short trip packing case features a 2-stage expansion system, a strong exterior, and plenty of pockets. The premium features cause it to weigh more than 15 pounds when empty. The Tumi short trip packing case is a favorite as well. This check bag has many of compartments, a detachable clothing sleeve with a fiberglass rod, and a spacious main compartment with a 2-stage expander that adds up to 2.5 inches of extra capacity. Additionally, there's a TSA lock, a security zipper, and a Tumi Tracer chip. Even though this bag weighs 15.5 pounds when empty, the spinning wheels still roll easily. Because of the exterior's ballistic nylon and integrated bumper rails, our bad impacts only caused a few minor scuffs. There were no noticeable scratches or dents. Tumi is a high-end luggage company with patents to back up its incredibly inventive designs. All bags also come with a 5-year warranty. Price: $1,195. Number 4. Brix Bellagio Spinner Carry-On Trunk. This sturdy yet lightweight carry-on with quality craftsmanship and an appealing design moves easily on spinner wheels. Sometimes the handle gets trapped. High-end luggage should appear to have cost more if you're willing to spend more on it. All of the requirements are met by the Bellagio V2.0 spinner trunk, which provides dependable durability and simple maneuverability without compromising design. This carry-on is easy to hoist overhead at just over 7 pounds. When we pushed it off a table, it didn't get scratched or dented at all by our bat swings. Just so you know, the wheels turn quickly and smoothly. However, occasionally the handle gets stuck when you try to take it out. Brix is a family-owned luggage company that prides itself on producing stylish bags with excellent craftsmanship. If it fits within your budget, there's no excuse not to get this luggage because the quality speaks for itself. Price: $665. Number 5. Rome Check-In. This check bag is covered by a lifetime warranty and features a water-repellent hard shell, a customizable design, and strong zippers. Although it's small for a checked luggage, an expander lets you make it your own. The model we tested that was the most resilient was the Rome Check-In. No dents, nicks, scratches, or even scuffs were visible on the robust polycarbonate shell, which withstood our bumps and shoves. It incorporates outside water-repellent zippers for added defense against potential harm. This suitcase is a little on the tiny side for a checked luggage, but you can make it your own by adding an expander, which increases the depth by 2.5 inches. Even on gravel, it's really simple to push and pull, and the grab grips make lifting and loading it much easier. If you don't like the pre-selected colors, you can choose your own. The collar block design is stylish but functional. You may also create a matched set with 4 different suitcase sizes. Tune was created by 2 of Rome's founders, and to us, that signifies high-end, fashionable luggage. Finally, the company offers a lifetime warranty on all of its bags. Price: $595. Click that like button before we reveal our next pick. Number 6. Louis Vuitton Horizon 50 Carry-On. This designer carry-on features an iconic logo detailed coated canvas shell and can be personalized with colored stripes or hot stamped leather. The brand does not provide a warranty on baggage, and the shipping time for customized items might be up to 12 weeks. Nearly everyone is familiar with Louis Vuitton. The name is practically synonymous with upscale luggage. The Horizon 50 Carry-On is a great option if you want to go out on a high-end model. This small, light suitcase has a locking zipper clasp, a matching luggage tag, and a coated canvas exterior with leather accent. The internal base is essentially flat because the handle canes are on the exterior. You can trust that its buttery smooth spinner wheels will also slide easily. The lack of a warranty on Louis Vuitton baggage is something to keep in mind. The company does, however, pledge to pay for any repairs necessary as a result of manufacturing flaws. Only in deep brown with a recognizable logo decal, this bag can be customized with a monogram, colored stripes, or a hot stamped luggage tag. Additionally, you can choose the Horizon 55 and 70 if you want a complete set. Price: $2,940. Number 7. The MVS Ditrek Aluminum Case. The highly unbreakable Trek has a rough style and high-end appearance, and it has a protective cover for added security. This suitcase weighs a little bit more than usual. The MVS Ditrek has a rough vibe while maintaining a high-end appearance. This hard-side suitcase is nearly unbreakable and features a heavy-duty aluminum magnesium alloy exterior with reinforced edges. It is also resistant to scratches and dents. Additionally, the zipperless closure has 2 TSA locks and rubber seals to keep out moisture. That's not all, though. It comes with a protective cover and a dust bag that you can use to store your suitcase at home or for dirty clothes while you're abroad. On its spinner wheels, you can rely on it to move with ease. 3 sizes and 5 stylish colors are offered for the Trek. With a high-strength metal design, this is frequently to be expected. All sizes are slightly heavier than typical. Price: $395. Number 8. Rimowa Essential Case Collection. This durable luggage will roll along with you easily wherever you go thanks to the unique wheels, which maximize stability and smoothness. Although the pieces are all available separately, it is simple to bundle them together at the time of purchase. However, doing so does not result in a price reduction. The elegant and incredibly lightweight Essential Collection from Rimowa, which is well known for its celebrity-favorite aluminum luggage, continues to be the best option for fashionable items. This surprisingly tough polycarbonate suitcase, which was created and manufactured in Germany and originally made its debut in 2008, established the standard for its competitors since it is constructed of virgin polycarbonate, which is extremely resistant to harsh temperatures and keeps its color over time. Despite being built to withstand even the roughest baggage handlers and jarring highways, Rimowa's 5-year warranty gives customers peace of mind. Price: $900. Number 9. Gotham Duffel by Best Duffel Coach. The outside of the Gotham Duffel is made of a tough pebbled leather with cowskin accents, and it has sturdy feet that enable it to stand upright even when empty. Although expensive for a duffel, it should last a lifetime. Our preferred brand of upscale luggage is Coach. The Gotham features a full-length zipper closure, snap-together grab handles, a removable shoulder strap, and cowskin accents in addition to a pebbled leather exterior that prevents and covers defects. This bag is almost as roomy as a carry-on suitcase at 20 x 11.5 x 9 inches. Additionally, its multi-purpose pockets assist you in maintaining organization. Price: $695. Number 10. Hartmann Tweed Legend Carry-On Spinner for Underseat. There are numerous pockets and compartments throughout the surprisingly roomy interior of this ultra-compact carrier. Only one color is offered for it. Do you need something you can stow under the seat in front of you on the plane? For this purpose alone, the Hartmann Legend Underseat Spinner was created. Despite measuring only 18 x 14 x 9 inches, this extremely small carry-on's inside is surprisingly roomy. It is simple to organize and access your belongings thanks to a zip panel, a padded electronics compartment, and numerous pockets. For on-the-go charging, there is also a USB connector and a specific power bank pocket. The Legend Spinner boasts a 12-position handle with a contoured grip and 4 ball-bearing wheels. It is easy to roll, quick to turn, and won't hold you up when you're rushing. It can be used with Hartmann's Legend garment bag to create a matched luggage set. Price: $530. Which bag do you use for traveling? Tell us in the comments. If you enjoyed watching this video, then give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more stuff.